Every new Pura smartphone represents Huawei's latest vision for mobile photography, and the new Pura 90s series is no exception. This time around, Huawei is bringing its first global Pura smartphone with 5G support to the Philippines, headlined by the Pura 90s Pro Max. They're calling the Pura 90s Pro Max the king of imaging, thanks to its new 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor telephoto camera, upgraded true-to-color camera, and a suite of AI-powered photography features designed to elevate every shot. That also raises one question. Can it go toe-to-toe with one of the most established Android flagships today? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out. This is our comparison between the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start with what Huawei clearly wants to be the headline feature of the Pura 90s Pro Max, its cameras. While both of these phones are packed with flagship camera hardware, they're taking slightly different approaches. Samsung continues to refine an already proven image system. Huawei is leaning heavily into hardware. Telephoto photography is where things get really interesting. On paper, Huawei has the advantage with its new 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor telephoto camera, while Samsung sticks with a 50-megapixel telephoto solution. At around 4 times zoom, both phones produce detailed images with very little separating them, with the edge going to the Pura 90s Pro Max. Moving up to 10 times, and the Pura 90s Pro Max begins to retain finer textures, especially in foliage, architectural details, and distant signage. And by the time we reach 20 times, Huawei's larger sensor really starts to show its strengths. Images remain surprisingly detailed with better light gathering and noticeably less noise, especially in more challenging lighting conditions. Samsung still produces respectable results, but its images are definitely softer, with more visible image processing as lighting conditions become increasingly challenging. HDR performance is another area where both phones perform exceptionally well, but they approach it differently. Using harshly backlit scenes, both devices were able to preserve highlights while exposing our subjects properly. However, the Pura 90s Pro Max consistently recovered more detail from bright skies while maintaining balanced exposure across the entire image, probably because of its 16 stops of dynamic range. This becomes especially noticeable when shooting against sunsets or other high-contrast scenes where both the subject and the background are equally important. The Pura 90s Pro Max also features a second-gen true-to-color camera. Greens appeared more natural, skin tones look more lifelike, and skies retained their subtle color transitions without looking overly saturated. Samsung, on the other hand, continues to deliver vibrant images that many users have come to enjoy, but with minimal differences from its predecessor, signaling a lack of innovation. Neither approach is necessarily wrong. It simply comes down to whether you prioritize natural color accuracy or a more vivid image. Recording at longer focal lengths, the Pura 90s Pro Max produces stable footage with impressive detail retention, even at higher zoom levels. Transitions between zoom ranges also feel smooth, making it easier to capture distant subjects without the footage feeling overly shaky. Samsung remains a reliable performer here, but Huawei's larger telephoto sensor gives it a noticeable advantage once you begin pushing the zoom. Of course, taking photos is only half the experience these days. Both phones now integrate AI into photography. AI composition helps intelligently adjust framing suggestions before you even press the shutter, making it easier to capture more balanced shots. AI deglare is another standout feature, effectively minimizing unwanted reflections when shooting through glass or reflective surfaces. Meanwhile, AI move superimposes objects into still images, adding a creative touch without requiring third-party editing apps. And like we've seen on previous Huawei flagships, features such as AI remove and AI best expression are also here, making it easier to clean up distractions or select the best facial expressions in group shots. The S26 Ultra, on the other hand, does have comparable AI features. We can also remove glare, add objects into still images, erase objects, and even choose the best face. But what they do lack is anything similar to AI composition. These AI features make it easier than ever to capture cinematic masterpieces and even our most creative vision. If your priority is telephoto photography, long-range video, natural color reproduction, and practical AI camera features, the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max makes a very compelling case. Software plays an equally important role in the overall experience. The Pura 90s Pro Max continues to refine that experience through EMUI 16. Day to day, EMUI 16 feels smooth and responsive. Samsung's One UI 8 remains one of the most polished Android interfaces available today. Through Huawei's very own app gallery, users can now access the full suite of Google services along with popular local apps for banking, shopping, transportation, streaming, and social media. The apps we regularly use and are available from Google Play Store could easily be installed from the app gallery. This means you can simply set up the phone and continue using your favorite apps with minimal adjustment. Huawei is also expanding its AI experience with Celia AI. Whether it's answering questions or helping improve productivity, we can even hail car transport services just by conversing with Celia. It's good to see Huawei and other brands continue to build on its own AI ecosystem for healthy competition. Another major milestone for this device is connectivity. The Pura 90s series is the first global Pura handsets with 5G support to officially launch in the Philippines, allowing users to finally enjoy the fastest mobile connectivity possible on a global Pura device. Another new feature is being able to natively share with other devices. Huawei's cross-OS sharing through Petal Interconnect makes transferring files between the two ecosystems surprisingly straightforward. Samsung does offer a similar experience through Quick Share. It's encouraging to see Huawei making cross-platform sharing easier for their own users as well. For this category, we'd call it a tie. Moving on, Samsung sticks with that familiar Ultra look, while Huawei takes a more distinctive approach, especially with the orange ocean colorway we have today. One of the biggest things you'll notice about the Pura 90s Pro Max is its new light-shifting gradient texture, combined with the industry-first dual-tone gradient mid-frame exclusive to this orange ocean variant. It gives the phone's aluminum frame the same treatment as its rear panel without being overly flashy. Protected by its latest anti-reflective scratch-resistant Kunlun glass, not only helps reduce screen reflections, but also promises up to 16 times greater scratch resistance and 25 times better drop resistance compared to conventional glass. The Galaxy S26 Ultra continues to offer excellent build quality and a durable anti-reflective display as well. From a build quality standpoint, you really can't go wrong with either phone. The last major category is battery life and charging. On paper, Huawei comes in with a clear advantage, packing a larger 6,000 mAh battery alongside support for 100-watt Huawei Supercharge and 80-watt wireless charging. Samsung features a 5,000 mAh battery with 60 watts of wired and 25 watts of wireless charging. In our video loop test, the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max lasted 40 hours and 56 minutes, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra managed 32 hours and 47 minutes. During our gaming battery drain test, the Pura 90s Pro Max lasted 11 hours and 14 minutes compared to 5 hours and 46 minutes on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Overall for battery, both devices are more than capable of lasting a full day, but the Huawei definitely outlasts the Galaxy S26 Ultra with considerably faster wired and wireless charging. So without a doubt, this category goes to the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max. Can the Pura 90s Pro Max really challenge Samsung's 2026 flagship? We'd say yes, and it does so by focusing on what it does best. Its 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor telephoto camera consistently impressed us throughout our testing. Pair that with thankful AI features, and we end up with a camera system that's genuinely enjoyable to use. Outside of imaging, EMUI 16 continues to mature with broad app compatibility through App Gallery, practical features like Celia AI, cross-OS sharing, and of course, 5G support. If your priorities are zoom photography, faster charging, longer battery life, and an overall better camera experience, the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max makes a compelling case for itself. And that's exactly why Huawei calls it the king of imaging. It's a zoom behemoth, delivering impressive reach without sacrificing clarity or adding external accessories. Images come out crystal clear and true to color, capturing fine details across a variety of shooting conditions. And its AI features help users capture and refine our photos with less effort. The Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max isn't just another flagship flagship entering the conversation. It's one that's confidently carving out its own place among the very best. Enjoy only 5G on the Huawei Pura 90s series with the all-new G Plan Plus 999 offer, which will be available from August 7. Like always, if you enjoyed this comparison, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future videos. I'm Miguel T, and I'll see you. Cheers.